All right, as the golf season approaches, we want to remind you we've got your club fitting needs taken care of. We've got Joe Lavery on site, our repairman, as well as club fitter that can fit you for any of our brands, including TaylorMade, Ping, and Callaway. We've got the full line of putters, wedges, irons, rescues, fairway woods, and drivers in each brand. You're welcome to come try some of them out. Lots of these clubs you see on the side of the putting green are demos. So when you're here, you can give them a test run. We certainly recommend, however, going through a proper fitting. And Joe will go through and build and test out the clubs and figure out which ones fit you appropriately. And then we can get them ordered and have them in time for golf season. Just going to take a walk to the back of the facility where Joe has a repair shop. So Joe also can assess your current clubs and see if they do in fact fit you. And in many cases, they just need to be edited a little bit. So in Joe's shop here, he can, break clubs apart, as you see here. He can fix broken clubs, but he can also, reshaft clubs and essentially build golf clubs. So if your clubs need to be reshafted, or in many cases, maybe the lie angle adjusted, he can adjust the lie angles. Of course, the simple stuff like just changing grips, of course, we can do that. We've got a large assortment of grips in stock. And he can also test the frequency of your shaft. So in many cases, we find that shafts that are supposedly stiff or regular or whatever don't test that way. They often are not quite what they're supposed to be, which is the reason people don't hit them maybe as good as they ought to. So frequency testing station here. Joe's been fitting for many years with Ping. He's been a Ping certified fitter. He's certainly fit for all brands, but he's kind of got a long history with Ping. That's a picture with Mr. Karsten himself. Joe also was the head fitter at Golf Tech for many years and also owned his own shop here in Oakville for a number of years. And finally, if you're looking for a brand to be fit for at a slightly lower price point, the Tour Edge Exotics is a great brand. And a number of senior tours, notably senior tour players, notably play the clubs, including Canada's own Mike Weir. So that's a little peek at Joe's repair shop. Take advantage of Joe and his knowledge and come on in, get fit, or maybe just have your own clubs analyzed first to determine if in fact you need new clubs, or maybe you just need to have yours edited and ready for the season.